Hello guys, this is God's Power again today. So today I'm going to show you step by step how you can do affiliate marketing for completely free. So I'm going to show you a high ticket product where you are going to pick a product that have a recurring commission, and I'm going to show you how you can promote these services for free. So you don't need to pay any money. There is nothing to pay on this video. So it's a free course. So all you just need to do is to watch this video from the beginning to the end. And if you watch this video from the beginning to the end, at the end, I will show you a bonus, a trick that will still help you to multiply your earning. So all you just need to do, pay attention to every part of this video and watch it to the end. So guys, let me show you how it works, how this business with how affiliate marketing works. So for those of you who don't know what is affiliate marketing is whereby you go and register in a particular website. Let me say Nike have a product, and Nike created a link for that product that anyone that is able to sell this product for them, they are going to pay this person 10% to 3% commission. So that is how affiliate marketing works. It's very, very simple. Once you sell the product, once the product is delivered to the customer, you as the advertiser, which is the publisher, will receive a percentage. So that is what is affiliate marketing, and that is how affiliate marketing works. You sell a product for other company and you are getting paid in return for helping them to sell all those products, or helping them to get traffic to that particular product. So that is how you make money with affiliate marketing. So let me show you strategy that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing. This is one of the affiliate marketing website that I'm using platform. I come to this website, I register as a publisher, and I apply for a different type of companies, and those companies will give me a link, and I will go and start promoting all those companies. And anyone that buy that product from that my particular link that this company give to me, I will get a commission. So that is how affiliate marketing work. So to register, all you just need to do is to click on this section where it says register. This is a website which is called CJ Commission, which is Commission Junction. So once you click on register, it's going to pop up this. So it's going to ask you if you want to register as a advertiser or a publisher. So publisher is people like me and you. So you can see say in commission by partnering with top brand and promote their products, services. While here is advertiser. If you have a company, you want to expand out your company, this is for those type of people. But this is for people like me and you, because we are promoters. We talk about their product and we are getting paid in return. Once you click on register, it's going to take you to registration form where you are going to enter all your information. So yeah. So it's going to bring you to this form here. So what you need to do, enter your country, select your email, enter your password, enter your password, and you click on I am not a robot. You come to this section where it says verify my email. They will send you a verification email for you to verify your account. So once you have verified your account, this is how your account will look once you have verified your account. So once you are on your account, this is how your dashboard will look. You might find everything zero on your own account because you have not started advertising or selling products on your own account. So once you log in your CJ, which is commission a website platform or program, once you log into your account, what you need to do is to enter your payment method. To enter your payment method, you need to click on this icon, and you will see your profile will pop up, and you click on where the session, I think is this part where you click on the session, you click on administration settings. Yes, you click on account, click on administration settings, you go and set up your payment and how you want to receive your money, and your address and your payment method. They have their payment method is on, you can use a Payoneer, you can use your bank account. That is the two method I know that I see every time there. Maybe in your own country you might find multiple options, so that depends on that program. So yeah, so once you land on this page, but how can you find a product? You will find on the at the bottom here, you see new product. Those are products that they just added newly, and those are, if you click joined, you will see the program that you have joined. If you click top, you will see the top 10 product that is trending now. If you click recommended, those are products that they are recommending for you. And yeah, so that is how you can this is you need to know about the homepage here. The homepage is very, very simple. And if you click how to start advertising product, you need to click on this section where you say advertiser. Click on advertiser here. So once you click on advertiser, this is the section where you are going to pick a high ticket product that when you promote it, you are going to be making a bunch of money from this brand. So that is what I want to talk about now. So once it open like this, you can search for any brand at all that you want to promote, or you can just apply to any brand that you can see here. So this depends on you. Let me say, for example, I want to promote this web hosting services. I will search for HostGator. I will just search for HostGator and click on enter. I will search for HostGator. I click on this section here. I will click on search. So this is HostGator. If you click on program terms here, if I click on program terms, you can see that HostGator is going to pay me, people like me and you, $75 per order, per anyone that apply, that buy web hosting from those people. Because if they buy web hosting from there, they are those people are going to stay with them, unless they don't have a good services. That is when they are going to change their web hosting server. So let me say, for example, they are in this company and they like it. Those customers, they are going to stay with them. So that is why they are willing to pay this type of money, which is $75 for only one person that you send to this program. So to apply on the program, normally you will see here apply to program. This is how it will look. So those are because I have already applied on all those programs. You can see them. I don't want to hide them. So you can see, let me say, if you have not applied, this is how it's going to look. It will say apply to program. So if I click on apply now, so it's going to tell me that I have just applied to this program, that the person that is the companies, they are going to review my application manually. So there's some companies that will approve you automatically. Once you click on apply, they will approve you automatically. There's some companies that will review your strategy and how you want to promote their services, and they will approve you once they find you as eligible, somebody that is allowed to promote their product. You will be approved. So they will contact you directly on your email. So let me say, for example, you find any one of them, okay, you can just click on how to get a link to start promoting it. You can just click on the section where you say get link, click on get link. So this is my main website, which is YouGo's Power. So now that you are on my website, sorry about that, ad is popping too much. So as you can see, this is my website and those are my blog. Let me say, for example, I want to promote I want to write a blog. So I can just come here, come to my website, I will write a blog, and all I just need to do is to create a blog about that services, like this web hosting services that is here, which is this one that we have copied the URL. You know how we copy it? We click on it, and once it open, we click here, and it give us the this URL here, which is HTML, and we click here, which says click URL. We copy it, and this is now our link. So all we just need to do is to start promoting this URL. You cannot go and paste it on YouTube, or paste it anywhere on social media. They will block you. So what are you going to do in this aspect? So how can you start marketing, promoting this product for free? So what I recommend, like what I've said just 2 minutes ago, is that you have to create a website, free website. If you want to create a website on WordPress, there's a link that will pop up. If you want to create a website on blogger.com, there's a link that will pop up too. I have both videos that I've made on how you can create a website for 100% free. So all you just need to do, go and create your free website, start blogging, and what you need to do, you need to write a blog about that particular services that you are promoting. So once you have the services content created, all you just need to do, come to your blog, and let me say, for example, this is the blog. All I just need to do, I will click on the blog. Once the blog open, then I just have to so once the blog open, what I just need to do is to copy the URL of this blog and start sharing it on Instagram, Facebook, and sharing it on my bio, and start paying people. If you want, you can pay people, but I said this video is a free method, so I'm going to show you a free strategy that I'm using to promote this type of product. So let me show you. So this is the method we are going to use. Everybody have heard of Quora, but I'm going to show you how you can use Quora and make money. So once you land on Quora, you will see that this is the homepage of Quora. So what are you going to do on Quora? What you need to do, I will show you two ways that you can make money with Quora. First ways is that you need to create a space. A space is where you are going to be creating blog every day. You know, your blog will be displaying on on Quora search engine. So when people see your blog, when they come to Quora, they might click on it to read what you are talking about. Let me say, for example, you can see those people, they are creating content and I'm viewing it. You see, I can click on it to read the content, and maybe if I like the content, I might click on their link, and if I like what they are talking about, I might go and buy what the product they are talking about. So that is how it works. It's very, very simple. So if I click on space now, all it just needs to tell me to pick a name for my space, short brief description about my space, and I click on create. It will be created, and all I just need to do is to post daily, at least 1 or 2 posts every day on your Quora space, so that you'll be able to rank faster and get more organic people. They will read your articles and they will click through. The click through now is the URL of your website. You insert the URL of your website, which is this blog, and they will come to this blog. Sorry about that. This is my SEO tool, which is USafe SEO. This is not our blog. So all you just have to do is to click the URL. Once they click the URL of that your blog, it's going to take them to this your blog. So all they just need to do is to come and start doing this, read the article. If they find it interesting, they might click on those links. It will take them to the main website, which is that web hosting, and we are going to get paid at the end of the day. So this is the idea of how you can market your services for 100% free. So you are offering people free services, giving them all you just need to do, like create multiple ebooks. Why I call it ebook, create multiple articles. Let me make it clear. Articles, create multiple articles about solving people problem. Once they find out your article interesting, it might be in the chance of clicking that link and they will land on that your website, and at the end of the day they might ending up making purchases and you are going to get paid. So you see how it works. It's very, very simple. And the second way you can still make money on Quora is you click on the answering question section. You click on the answering question here, and once you click on this session, you are going to find a bunch of questions here. You can see, what can I do to make money what can I do to make more money with my business? So this person is asking a question here. You can click on answer question here, and you have to answer this person with a brief, at least let me say 1,000 word. And if the person read it, what is happening here is that it's not only the person that is even reading this content. That is why Quora is one of the best place to start if you don't have any money, if you don't have any budget to run ad. This is one of the best place to run to get traffic to your website or your services. So what is happening here is not only one person that will view this content. Multiple people are going to view this question you just see. So more than 1,000 to 100,000 people can view this content. So once you answer the question, it will be live and people are going to be viewing it time to time. And at the end of the day, you will have a chance of making money with this method. If you see, let me say today, let me click on this session here and click on your content here. If I click on this session, you will see I have gotten 434 views this month. So I didn't really do anything. All I just did to answer a few questions, and that is it. So you see that even me that is talking to you, I'm doing the same strategy. It's not to show you, and I don't show things I'm not doing. I show things that I'm doing. So that is how you can do your marketing for completely free. I hope you get an idea of how this works. So it's just in the same thing on Facebook. I don't want to go to Facebook to show you, but I'll just talk about this on my YouTube channel here. So it's just the same thing on Facebook. On Facebook, write an articles and enter that your website URL in a particular blog or a group, and you will be in a chance whereby they are going to click on that URL, open that your blog, read it, and they will find that interesting. All I just need to say is that make sure your writing have to be good. You have to write a story that will be touching. Let your articles, let your content be touching. So if your content is touching, is making people to take action, you will be in a big chance or in a big place of making money at the end of the day. So that is everything I need to talk about on this video. I don't want to talk a lot about these strategies because I know a lot of you already know about this strategy, and I know that those of you that doesn't know will go and apply this strategy and we start making money. For those of you who already know this strategy, you can implement more strategy, and For me, if you just start a new business, I don't recommend you to start paying money, because at the end of the day, you will give up. So all I just recommend you, do the free ways. When you start making money from the free strategies, then you can say, okay, now that I'm making money from the free strategies, let me try to invest those money that I've made from the free strategy to the paid strategy. So it comes to the part of the bonus of this video. You know, I told you that I'll give you a bonus on this video. So let me show you the bonus. You can see this website, which is called Jasper. This is one of the websites that allows you to write articles on your website. If you are that kind of person who is lazy and don't want to write articles, this website will allow you to write articles for completely free. So all you just need to do is to you can join the affiliate program of this website and start promoting their services. If you want, the link to join Jasper will be in the description below. So just scroll down and click on the section where you see companies. You see a section where you see partners. Once you click on partners, it's going to open up this tab here. You can see that Jasper is paying you 30% recurring commission. You can see 30% recurring commission, life for life. You know, if you refer anyone to this program, as long as they are using Jasper, you are going to be making huge amount of money for free. So that is what I recommend on this video. So you can go and try this Jasper website out. The link to sign up on Jasper will be in the description below. Just click on that link, go and use Jasper to start making free money. You know, refer people to Jasper, and when they start using it, they start using the paid plan, you are going to be making money. Go and join Jasper. And the second website I'm going to talk about is called Builderal. So Builderal link will still be in the description below. You can see that Builderal is going to pay you a recurring commission for anything you do. Builderal is going to pay you recurring commission within 10 years, with 10 years of experience. Oh God, this website is one of the best way, you know, to create landing pages. If you don't know about Builderal is a landing page website. It's a website that helps business to grow. So if you want to create landing pages, you want to collect emails, and a bunch of things that you can do on Builderal. So yeah, if you want to do it, the links of all those websites will be in the description below. So all I just need to say at the end of everything, I hope you like the bonus of this video. I'll say thank you very much, and again, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like what I want to say at the end of the video, don't forget again to use our SEO tools, which is USafe SEO. This tool allows you to do something for free. Check your website ranking, check if your email is validated, rewrite your articles, paragraph checker, SEO keyword position checker, link analyzer, server status checker, a bunch of things you can find on this my new SEO tools website. Go and check it out. Tell me what you think about these SEO tools, and I'll say thank you very much and see you soon on the next video.